Hello, I'm going to show you how to clone my voice using Chatterbox TTS to convert text to speech. So let's get cracking. Just open your browser, head over to this link here. Let me paste it. I'll leave this link in the description. So once you have this, it will open in Google Colabs. So just click on run all. By default it will connect to T4 GPU, so make sure you have that and click run all. So I've already done this process and I'm running it here, you can see. So I'm on this last cell here, start server. So head over there and wait for the results of that cell. So don't click on this. I'm waiting for another one with the public URL to access the interface. So let's wait. So the whole process from cell 1 to cell 5 takes a while, but I've just skipped that part because I don't want to make the video so long. So let's wait a little bit for that to spin up the server. You can see the server process ID is 2524. So this link is the one that I was waiting for. Last time people were telling me it's not working and all that. Just be patient and wait for this. You see this one here, right before these red numbers, server kernel port as iframe. So make sure you click on this one. This is the specific one that will open a new interface for you to access the Chatterbox. So click on that. So once you have that running, now you can interact with the Chatterbox TTS fast English turbo, that is that supports expressions and also multilingual and the original. So we have these three models. So I'm just going to use the Chatterbox fast English, but for this we are doing a voice cloning of my voice. So I pre-recorded my voice, so let's go voice cloning. I'm going to import, so click on that. It's on my downloads, so my voice here. So I'm going to give you a quick snap of what it sounds. I'm going to open my downloads and open it. So this is my voice of me speaking casual. I'm going to use this voice as a reference voice to clone using Chatterbox TTS. So the voice should be under 30 seconds. So I'm going to cap it right now. Yes. So that's the voice technically. So what we are going to do is I'm going to paste some text here for it to synthesize it. So I have this let's say a quote. So I've just pasted it here, copy that and then leave it here. So we are going to hit generate now. I'm not going to mess with any settings, temperature and all that. So hit generate speech, acknowledge and generate. So on the back of the server you will see some logs. So if you're interested you can check them out, but let's just wait for it to generate. Another thing, this is good because it's free compared to using 11 labs. 11 labs is paid one, and also this model is actually good. So let's check the results, see for yourself and compare it to the paid 11 labs. I've never used 11 lab myself. I used just the free version and decided to go full mode on the open source. So let me check the progress. 100 successful generated, so it's spinning the audio to the front end. So we have successfully generated the audio. What you'll notice is Chatterbox tends to be slow at times. So let's play it.
How difficult is the perseverance of one person? All of the GUI mortals here could answer that question, because among them, some persevered because of responsibility, some persevered because of hatred, some persevered because of excitement, and some persevered because of love. And Fang Yuan's answer? He was still expressionless. He continued to move forward relentlessly. I had once screamed. Gradually, I lost my voice. I had once cried. Gradually, I lost my tears. I had once grieved. Gradually, I became able to withstand everything. I had once rejoiced, but gradually I became unmoved by the world. And now, all I have left is an expressionless face. My gaze is as tough as a monolith, and only perseverance remains in my heart. This is my own, an insignificant character, Fang Yuan's perseverance.
So I could feel a little bit of myself there, some percentage. So for this model to work in such such accuracy, it's quite good, and it's also free. It's amazing. So I'm continuing to do my research for the best open source TTS models. Uh, in fact, I was working on one, but the code is still not running, so I'm continuing to debug it. So we'll see on the next tutorial. Can also switch to dark mode here. That's the whole process. If you like the video and it was helpful, kindly subscribe, share, and also like. See you on the next one. Peace out.